Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Gloria's Brasia Kitchen. Adishema, mi mobi biara akwaba. You. And then your baba is simple. Yeah, and then your snacks. Snacks the brody and carrots and a baba. Today's one is simple as always. We're making snacks, but we're going to use green plantain and carrots. Let's start. Ain't in any money. Simple, send a kind small. Yawo brody plantain, green plantain, brody boom, and yawo carrots, a being, sani or brody a being, and yawo inchini, yawa, and oil kakra. You can choose not to use salt, add salt. Bet me I choose to functioning count, bet me I choose to fat oil and count, and any imagine was so why. Inti yebe fiase ne carrots nche maybe ngwa ha na fe na yusu pelan aminya wa ha okay na me fe yo tin nishesheni na wo plate ni msa carrots no so be your broaden okay tin we got a normal one and running I wash over then one sana we got then never had a TV uncle then you in brother and so and also sa nekosia intin brother any back when intimidate oil na kakra very fat plate ni this open chine fine open chine up to you intimidate kakra petiso sa kabi kakrabi apetiso this is saying now we're shit sa shit kakra very simple plantain chips ado konga pesa obesoja ubenya bia resisia penso say pesa obesoja eno ane say uchucha ba kona odi chef microwave now are your plantain chips enjoy it so and that's it we need oil so plantain chips are do konga e be ni fi afi na besi foam there be you ntime da ma say my chef nyina me viewers thank you for your love and support you monko so na mon subscribe monko so na mon share videos no mamuni pa matana you ain't first batch of me in this is a miracle question. Okay, 2 minutes. Yo, ain't 2 minutes and medicine in the eye. This is saying wedding bed down. Okay. Bed down, sir. My And one I me say bubuma sa ne be but being to separate between me separating. So no problem here, right? Okay. Tin you down in. Inti madam dani na tim the question for the second time. Inti saying I've been come up. Just like say what you are, but this is gonna be like less oil. See, and I say I'm gonna have the fat plate in him, or the fat plate in him, then one. You see, I've been come up. How will move? Okay. Come on. Here. Into saying another 2 minutes. I'm the shame. Yeah, but it be a little bit, especially normally middle no. Fast. Ebbing. Middle. I had the nanny. But in chain no, and I went in me mashim kakwanches. I'll be middle. Be middle na. We're pushing chain with another thing. Nema I awake a crumb the beshim. It's to be. And yeah, besh it. Give me the carrots and so question. Ain't the carrots and you made the shame 3 minutes until any. Tiabecumbio because it's still soft. Okay. And sure. Okay. In the eye. I dry fine. Yep. Okay. Ready. I'm so crispy. Come on. Yeah. I do. And I want to say a share if you microwave in bowl, bedroom say you're too soft, but too messy who dry. Then I dry. Tin. Fair no show team. Tin. We understand now. I don't know what to tell. We show one it will contain fair camera. Upon that, what should be a array and I say, come on. Try it. About a inch of carrots, no, I say. Any veggies be open. Why you no so come? Never ho. Chin. Berry chips and now baby snack and not just woody. Yeah. Kakra. To a balance though. Balance snack. Any snack of your choice, veggies of your choice, you just do it, put it on your table or your counter and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. It's new. Hey, if I also. No issue. Yeah, no, come on. I will enjoy what day. You are invited. Y'all. Ay. Apa so ang kasa? So okay, so they got different level la. Any. Chili pepper. Kakra. Tin. Now the garlic and so kakra. Not just say. I'm on a different flavor. Then you enjoy your snack in the console. Then come on. Come on. And I'm enjoy. Gloria. Okay, see garlic and kakra. And the pepper and kakra. Hey, there you go. Well, mother and I try be mammy. And when you beg your home. The show my one now too, baby. But quite quick, thanks for watching.